Hi, this is the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box. Here we got the USB Type-C cable. Also we can find here the charger brick, the Xiaomi original charger with all of the specifications. And let's check this paper box. So that is the SIM eject tool. Also I got here some paperwork like the warranty card, safety guides, and the quick start guides. And also I got here the protective silicone case in clear color. So there is all the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.